Hello everybody, today in front of me I have DOOGEE S86 PRO smartphone, and let me show how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, call out for the keyboard anywhere. I'll use this Google search bar widget for it. Here, look for this very icon, which basically stands for the clipboard itself. Tap on it, and all that it's left to do in order for us to activate the clipboard is to turn on the switch. In order to manage its elements, you gotta tap on this pencil, choose what elements you want to remove, and then tap on the trash bin. In order to add anything to the clipboard, you gotta just copy it. So I'll go ahead and type in car, select this word, then copy it. And if I'll get back to the clipboard, I'll see that the car element has been successfully added to the recent section. And now you can just use it from the clipboard or paste it from the clipboard by simply tapping on any desired elements. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!